Ollie-B demonstration video. With Ollie-B unpacked, we turn it on by switching the power button in the back and we wait for the display to light up. Before we proceed with any operation, let's take a look at Ollie-B's display. On the display, we see the power indicator, time indicator, total time remaining in the protocol, as well as button for protocol and wheel selection. The protocols are different from one another based on the size of a disc you have on your wheel. The included magnetic plate helps you select the correct protocol. To demonstrate the use, I have a bike with 140mm disc on the front. That means that we have to select protocol 1, as well as front wheel. We can select both by pressing the button on the display. However, we understand that no one likes to bend down to do that, which is why we designed it so that you can select your protocol as well as wheel with your bike. First, we choose which wheel we are working on. If we are working on the front wheel, but we have the rear wheel selected, we can simply change it by pulling the brake lever and putting the bike in the machine. As Ollie feels the resistance, as soon as the bike is placed onto the rollers, it will switch the wheel to front. The same principle applies for the back wheel. Now let's choose the right protocol. To select the protocol, simply press down on the centering mechanism with your bike, switching to the next protocol with each press. As we put the wheel in the machine, the auto start mechanism will start spinning the wheel. We have to wait for a few seconds for Ollie to calibrate and pick up speed. Here it's very important not to apply any brake pressure. We wait for the brake sign to light up, and once it does, we start slowly applying brake pressure until we reach the green zone on the power indicator. Here it's very important to apply the brake pressure slowly. If you squeeze the brake too hard, the bike will be pushed out of the machine. When the brake sign turns off, you stop pulling the brake lever and the cooldown stage begins. Now, we keep doing the same thing until the end of the protocol, switching between periods of braking and periods of cooling down. Just a couple of things to note. During braking stage, if you do not apply enough pressure on the brake and you are not in the green zone of the power indicator, the time won't count down. The same principle is applied for cooling stage, as you have to be in the white zone. If you feel like the bike's wheel is not spinning fast enough and it's slowing down, it's because you are not applying enough pressure to the rollers and the tire is slipping. Simply push the bike in the machine harder and you should have no more problem. These are the basics on how to use Ollie-B. For any unanswered questions, feel free to reach out to us.